Hey guys, just heading out for lunch, brunch-ish, having a breakfast. Went on a quick morning run today, 6K, and then went to the gym. But yeah, today's fit. We got Stissy beanie, vintage Carhartt jacket, our legacy belt, because these jeans are so baggy, 7th denim, and then got Margielas on feet. Actually, they look very clean in this camera, but they're quite old in person. I've had these for ages, but yeah, nothing too crazy. First time going to like a Gastro pub for brunch, so hopefully turns out nice as well. I feel like this is quite a Gastro pub attire, a little bit classy, feel me? A little bit classy, a little bit geezerish. So I should fit right in. Get right in there. And get some pie mesh right there. No, I don't know, not pie mesh, but I've been to this pub when I was like out of work but I didn't get the food there. We just had I just had lemonade, but the food looked really good, so I noted it down. So we're heading back now. Turns out it's quite like a big Gastro pub. So yeah, I look forward to it. The food looked really tasty last time I was there, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, this is the fit of the day. Leaving the camera at home, but we're gonna film as much as we can on our phones. This is Eloise. This is Eloise's outfit of the day. And some nice double brown moment. Nice leather belt from Mulberry. And yeah, nice jacket. Matching Margielas.
29.
The blue with the yellow. Perfect colorway. But yeah, that's the vlog so far, and I'll see you guys after brunch, maybe later on this evening as well. Ooh, this looks fire. Yo, so we just ate at the Eagle. First time at a Gastro pub, like eating at a Gastro pub. For my first experience, I rate it as 10 out of 10. The food was really good. Super nice ambiance in there, and yeah, overall really good. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just thought I'd show you guys a few of the stuff that I'm going to be packing for this week's fashion trip. Fashion week trip to Paris, sorry. Before we get in the vlog, I want to talk about yesterday's pop-up. So we went to Hoka in Bethnal Green, I believe it was. It's a fake kind of corner shop that they've set up, which is a really cool concept. You go in there and you redeem Hoka tokens, so like coins. I'll put pictures on screen, and you can then use the Hoka tokens to cash out, like whether you want a chocolate bar or oat milk or anything, or you can gamble it all in the hopes of winning like a free shoe or a t-shirt or some other form of like Hoka clothing or item wear. So I thought the whole concept was really cool. I think more brands should do stuff like that, and I really think like when it's initiations like that or launches like that is really good. It's free, and overall everyone goes away like talking about the product, talking about the brand, and yeah, we just had like, it was actually a really fun time. Eloise went with me, she's not a runner, and she still found it fun and gambled all the coins away, so we lost all our coins, and we only come out with some stickers, not no trainers this time, but maybe some of you guys can win a shoe. One person might win a shoe. But yeah, I'm going to Paris with Eloise Fashion Weeks. My first time actually going to the Paris one. I always like have said, oh, I want to go, but I'm always like working or busy. But this year I kind of said to myself, I'm not going to go away for New Year's because I'm going to go to Paris Fashion Week. So I wanted to be going. I got this baby. This is the first item that I'll be bringing with me. It's my Mulberry full grain leather duffel in this forest green. Silk tags, heavy as hell. Got foot studs at the bottom so you don't have to worry about it getting all dirty and raggedy. So yeah, this is what I'm taking with me. I might take a small like shoulder bag, crossbody bag, but I don't want to pack too heavy because we're only going for 4 days. It's bricks out there, so I'm relying on heat tech. I'm not packing loads and loads of clothes, but I am bringing my staple brown Carhartt jacket. I always get a lot of compliments for this jacket. I didn't have this jacket tailored, I got it vintage. I found it vintage in a store in Brighton, but it just fits me really, really well. And I think, to be honest, Carhartt Detroit jackets fit a lot of people really, really well. You just have to play around with the sizing, either size up or size down. But it is a staple in my wardrobe. I love this jacket, so this jacket's going with me. For the shoes, I'm not packing too many shoes. I've got these babies, if I can find the other one for you guys, and this mess. I've got these Maison Margiela Gats, basic Gats. If you've watched me for a while, you know these are like my go-to. They're comfortable, they're nice, and they go with a lot. I'm bringing 2 of my 7th denims, which I'll put on screen now. I think the wide leg denim, one of them's a workwear pants, I think it's canvas, not a denim, sorry, and then the other one's a selvage denim from the brand 7th in this indigo. This isn't really showcasing it really well, but I showed this in the last vlog, so if you've watched the last video, you'll have seen it. But yeah, this wide-legged denim from 7th store. I'm actually going to the 7th pop-up as well. They're having a pop-up in Paris, so I'm hoping to stop by there and see a few of their clothing in person. Probably pick up some tracksuits because I've been eyeing up their tracksuits for a while. So what better way to get it than when you're on a trip there. Yeah, these are the basic things I'll be bringing. In terms of what I'm looking forward to doing, I'm looking forward to doing like the running. Like there's a lot of running collabs that's going to be happening with cafes and other brands going on during Fashion Week. So I hope me and Eloise get accepted to a few of those, and I can drag Eloise along to a 6K, and then we can do a few of the collaborative run clubs. Whether that's, I think there's a few for New Balance, Hoka, and Saucony normally do a few as well. I'm hoping that Satisfy do a pop-up because they're actually like founded in France, so it's a cool French running band, so I hope Satisfy do one as well. And yeah, we're just going to go along for the vibe. We haven't been invited specifically by a brand, but I spoke to Oscar from Ophal, so I'll be linking up with him out there as well. And there's like a few other YouTubers that I hope to meet in the space. And yeah, if you guys are going, please let me know, because it'd be fun to link up with you guys and like converse, chill, hang out. I have a few spots anyway. I'm a Paris frequenter. I've got loads of family there, so every year I pretty much go to Paris. So if you guys need recommendations, if you are going, you want to link up, let me know, hit me up, we'll link up, have a good time. But yeah, this is a nice short and sweet vlog this weekend. Thank you so much for all the love from my last video. A lot of you subscribed from then, and I really, really appreciate it. If you can, please do like, comment, engage in this video. Tell me if there's brands you want me to see in person for yourself, or if there's brands you want me to pass by their showroom or whatever. Comment down below, comment whatever. I'll see you guys next Sunday with my Paris vlog. I'm literally going to Paris in 2 days. It's Sunday now, so I'm going Tuesday. So yeah, I'll see you guys next weekend. As I always say, take it easy and see you soon.